Mastering active reading. Visualizing the content. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to focus on a powerful strategy to improve your reading comprehension skills. Visualizing the content. This technique is a part of our series on during reading questions within active reading. So, let's jump right in. Visualizing the content is the practice of creating mental images while you read. It's like painting a picture in your mind based on the words and ideas in the text. This technique is extremely helpful because it engages your imagination, makes the reading more enjoyable, and importantly, enhances your understanding and retention of the information. Visualizing isn't just about making reading fun. It's an effective comprehension strategy. When you visualize, you're actively engaging with the text, not just passively reading the words. This deepens your understanding, helps you remember what you read, and even enables you to predict or infer what might happen next. So, how do you put this into practice? Here are a few steps to guide you. 1. Slow down. Take your time to absorb the details. 2. Picture it. Create a mental image of what you're reading. Imagine the scene, the characters, or the events. 3. Add details. The more details you include in your image, the more engaging it becomes. 4. Change the image. As you read more, the scene or characters might change. Adjust your mental image accordingly. 5. Ask questions. Questions like, "What does this scene look like?" or "What is happening now?" can help solidify your visualization. Let's put this into practice with a small exercise. Take a paragraph from any book or article. Read it slowly and visualize the content. Don't rush. Remember, it's not a race. It's about understanding and enjoying the text. And there you have it. Visualizing the content is a dynamic and exciting strategy that can make reading in English more engaging and effective. I hope you'll begin using this tool and discover the difference it can make. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, keep reading, and keep visualizing.